Unless I really Mustang you at the stop and just turn into you and then... Or live it.
Typical Mustang driver. I better get out of the way, he's gonna run me over. I don't want to die. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I'm just gonna go rip around tonight. It's a beautiful evening, and as you can see, the sun is still a blood orange. Looks very good. So I thought we would just go and ride around, see what we can find. I'm pretty bored, so you know, maybe we'll stop by and see Mike. Y'all know Mike from Sick Liquid Customs, who does the hydrographics. He's been in a few of my videos already, so maybe we'll pop by and say hello. Hello, hello. That sun looks nice. Looks good.
I really want one of these things, man.
They're good. They're quick. How are people supposed to see you? You're in the fast lane with no fucking lights on. What a retard. This, everyone, is the Calgary Airport. They've renovated it quite a bit lately. That over there is the new international terminal we got. Go down through the arrivals. Turn into an Uber. We'll pick somebody up. Like that's gonna happen. Holy shit. Did I come during a busy time? Holy fuck, I did too. Fuck, it's like 10 o'clock. Bruh. The fuck? Holy shit, I've never seen this that busy. This was a bad idea. And if you go down, is it this one here? Yeah, that way there. That takes you to the, oh no, that's the hotel. That's the new hotel that we got apparently. It used to be to the left here. And then this entrance over here is to go to the new terminal. So all this over here to my right is all the new terminal, which is pretty cool. I've been in there once, I think, so far. There we go, now we're moving. Get some cool air. I think the last time I came through here was on my video, my last video of my R3 where I said goodbye to it, the goodbye video. I think that was the last time I came through here because Mickey Mouse, no, Frozen, I think, I can't, one of those two planes. So I actually parked over there. Something there, I can't see what it is. trying not to speed through here. Because cops like this tunnel. This is called the airport tunnel. And exactly right above me is the new runway. They built a new runway here as well to fit more of the bigger jumbo jets, 47s and the Airbuses and whatnot. It's actually pretty cool. What the hell's going on here? We got the Popo. Oh, must have been an accident. There's a car over there. Another biker. Like life. Like wants anything to do with me. I'll take the loops a little easy tonight. I got my tinted visor on, so just in case there's something on the road that I can't see. I can't even see this corner. Oh, we're just gonna fucking send it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Just gonna fucking send it. Gonna send it in this corner. Alright, boys.
See you, buddy.
I'll see you later.
See you, guys.
I will. I should, because I'm getting rid of them. I don't know if I can. There you go.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Holy.
And fuck you too. Fuck me. Hiya.
I'm in a video. I'm in one of your videos. You gotta pay me.
Yeah.
No, you pay me. I'm gonna slow that down.
Yeah, if that's the one you go viral on, I want half the profit. Exactly. It's my nipple that got you.
It's my nipple now, James.
Well, that's cool.
What?
That's 64, 65.
Yeah, that's my temperature.
Yeah.
Fuck, this bike eats up fast.
Oh! Yeah, sure.
Yeah, bitch.
I'm gonna ride on the front with the gas tank.
Alright, who wants to race me?
I'm going that way.
James.
Oh, sure.
Do a burnout.
Pinks?
Sure.
You got your pinks on you?
Yeah. You don't.
I actually do.
Yeah.
I'm not going to bet pinks.
Do a burnout. I'll give you a head start.
Well, no, unless I really Mustang you at the stop and just turn into you and then...
Oh, no, they 3, 2, 1, go, kill, don't get it burned out. First one,
even if I got out and kill switch him, he'd probably have enough time to start it back up and rip before I...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that'd be my only advantage. 1, 2, 3, go! Woohoo! Knock Dave off his bike. I won!
Typical Mustang driver. Wait.
Oh my god.
Insurance papers. Insurance papers. I better get out of the way, he's gonna run me over. I don't want to die. So right now, just kind of, we're going to run over to a local guy here that can do work on motorcycles, and he's actually going to switch our tires out. I got mine tonight. My buddy's got his appointment tomorrow. And then we're pretty much ready for our U.S. trip. It's going to be a round trip, leaving here in Calgary, going all the way around and back. We're averaging around 6,100K. That doesn't include the sightseeing and shit we're going to do. The tires are going to help too for when we go through Vegas and a lot of the higher heat areas, because they wear down the tires a bit quicker. So we got the, I think I got the Road Sport 4 tires. I think those are average for around 10 to 15,000 K, give or take. So should hold up nicely. This one? No. Hello, sir. Good, and yourself? All right, just leaving buddy's place here. Just got the new tires put on. Wasn't able to record any of it, unfortunately, but we got them on. Now we're gonna head home and take it easy, because with these new tires, everything's slick. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And like me on Facebook and Instagram on Munden4411. Alright guys, see you in the next video.